How to delete your Brawl Stars account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial by Apex. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Brawl Stars account. So, without any further ado, let's begin. First, what you'll have to do is launch your Brawl Stars. After you launch your Brawl Stars, just wait for it to load. And after it loads, all you gotta do is open up the settings. Now, to open up your settings, you can simply tap on the three dots on the top right and then go to the settings. After you're there, you will see help and support. Tap on help and support and this page will open up. Now under this, tap on account and right here you will see access/delete your account. Tap on it. Now simply what you'll need to do is tap on the plus icon and then you will see request deletion of your personal data or delete your account. Tap on one of these and after you do so, tap on delete my data. After you do that, you will get redirected to a chat section. After you do that, simply type in this here. You will see, do you want to delete this game? Tap on it. Now here, tap on I agree to delete my data. And after that, tap on delete account. After you do that, you will see that you will get an option that says yes or no. Tap on yes and then just rate it and submit it. Now after this, your account will get deleted in 30 days and that is basically how you delete your Brawl Stars account. And it's that easy guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye. Take care.